Alright guys, now we're going to talk about a couple of tricks you can use to increase your subscribers and watch time, and one of those is by using playlists. So to create a playlist, we can go to our video manager and then go to playlist, and then just click create new playlist. So let's say one of our categories is going to be about YouTuber conspiracy theories. So we just create that playlist right there. And then we can just click edit playlist and add all of our videos to that playlist. Go to your YouTube videos, select all your YouTube videos that go with it, and then I recommend writing a quick description about the playlist. And then whenever you share a video, I recommend sharing it within that playlist. So let's say we wanted to share this this video right here, and I'll tell you why we do this in just a second. But what you do is you just copy the link, copy this huge long link that has it within the playlist, and then I recommend shortening the URL so it's easier to use. And then there you go, you got your shortened URL, you can copy it and then go back, and then let's say we were adding this to the description of another video. So I'm just going to go to the description of this video and click edit. So let's say we were sharing another video and we put check out this video of more conspiracies, and then we just put this shortened link beneath it. And the reason we do this is because when they go to your playlist and they go to watch this video within a playlist, then it will automatically recommend the next video, so then they keep watching these videos all in a row, and this will help increase your watch time. So another way of increasing your watch time is to add end screens, and you can do this by clicking add end screens and annotations. And then for the last 20 seconds of your video, I recommend adding a video or playlist and putting best for viewer, and this will allow YouTube's algorithm to find the best video for your viewer, for the person who's watching, and it will optimize a video from your channel for them. So then just click create element, and then you can just put this like on the top left right here at the end of the video, and then add another element saying subscribe, and then this will just be like a little logo for your channel, and you can put that in the other corner, and then they can click this, click subscribe, they can click this to watch another video, you just click save to save that. So there you go guys, that's how you add end screens to increase your subscribers and watch time, because they'll just keep watching videos. And then you can add cards as well, which are basically end screens, but you can put them anywhere in the video and they appear like in the top right. So to add a card, you just click add card, video, or playlist. I recommend adding your most popular videos as cards on your videos, because your most popular videos are your most popular for a reason. People watch them because they are very good at getting views and keeping watch time, so I recommend putting those as cards on your new videos. So this is just an example channel I have. These are just random videos, but I'm just going to click that, and then you can put this anywhere you want through the video. And as you can see, it'll pop up right on the right-hand side, and they can click this and then just keep watching it. So another way of increasing engagement and therefore watch time is to go to the videos page right here that we just uploaded, because see, this is just an example channel. I just put new channel really quick. But we just put a comment saying, what do you guys think about these? And put some question marks in there, click comment. And then you can actually pin the comment just by clicking these three dots and then clicking pin. And then this will put the comment at the very top, and this will increase engagement because people will see this and then they'll want to comment, and then comments help you rank, and then therefore you get more views. And also you can make this say, please subscribe to my channel, because then people will see that and they'll go, oh, okay, and then they subscribe to your channel. So those are some very simple ways to increase your watch time and get more subscribers on your YouTube channel.